Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are diving into the heart of Goan cuisine. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a classic Goan dish that's packed with flavor and a touch of spice. We are making Goan Red Masala Brinjal Bhaji. This traditional Goan recipe is a must try for anyone who loves brinjal. The combination of aromatic spices and tangy tamarind creates a truly unforgettable dish. It's perfect for a side dish or even as a main course. To start, we'll be using fresh brinjals. They are the star of the dish, so make sure to choose ripe, firm ones. We'll also be using a blend of Goan spices including red chillies, turmeric and coriander. And of course, we can't forget the essential tamarind. I'm gonna show you step by step how to prepare it. So let's get cooking and experience the authentic flavors of Goa. So now let's begin. So first take 2 brinjals or aubergine, or also known as eggplant. Cut in medium pieces as you can see. After cooking, the size will shrink. So make sure the size is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then to make the Goan Red Masala, in a mixer jar add 3 garlic cloves, 8 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 centimeter round tamarind, 20 black peppercorns, half tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon dry coriander seeds, 8 Kashmiri Dry Red Chillies, 2 tablespoon vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and add half cup water. Then blend this to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 2 onions chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 tomato chopped and fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add the red masala paste which was previously made. And then fry the masala for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then add 2 cups water and give this a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube and give this a nice mix. Then add the brinjal and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until it is half cooked. Then give this a nice mix. Then cover it again and cook it until the brinjal is fully cooked. And there you have it guys, a mouth-watering red masala brinjal bhaji. The perfect blend of spicy, tangy and slightly sweet flavors will leave you craving for more. This dish is a great way to experience the rich heritage of Goan cuisine. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your friends and family. And if you try this recipe at home, be sure to leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. I would love to hear your thoughts and see your creations. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.